and that's when the following will happen, guys. Look. They pull on the straw. Here are the things we're going to be using for our next prank. We of course have our cup, a straw, which is vital to this prank, our Vaseline grease, and some cutting tools such as a blade and a pair of scissors. On the side, we're going to cut out an opening, a circular opening, just enough to be able to fit this straw through. So it's got to be very, very snug. So you might want to just press the straw on it to make the outline of the cut that you need to make. So just rub it on there, twist it, and see we have our outline already, and we're just gonna run the blade through it to make our cut. It's so simple, guys. Look at that. That's our cut. And now we're able to push the straw inside. Once we have it inside, we're gonna push it up so it comes through the top like so. Just like that, guys. Now once the straw is in position, we're gonna cut out the part that sticks out. So with a pair of scissors, do that. Look how easy that is. Our next step is to apply some Vaseline on it, on the edges of it, so there's no spill, so there's nothing coming out. So take a bunch of Vaseline and just spread it around it. This will block off any spills. Once it's been applied, we're gonna take a piece of paper towel and just wipe it off. Pretty much we're wiping off the excess Vaseline. That way it won't give away the prank because your victim might notice it. Try to have the least amount of Vaseline on it, and I believe that is perfect for us. Now that the prank is set, this is what it should look like. Our last step is to fill it up with your victim's favorite drink. So whatever that may be, do it. Fill it up, and you guys know that I already have my Kool-Aid ready over there, so that's what I'm gonna fill it up with. All right, let's fill this up. All right, that is perfect, guys. Notice that there's no spill, there's no leaks, but hand this to your friend, guys. Tell them, hey, I got you some Kool-Aid. And of course they're gonna notice the straw, but there's not gonna be no suspicion. They won't think much of this, but their first instinct is to sip on this. So when you hand it to them, make sure they do not touch the Vaseline on the back because it will give away this prank. So while they're holding it, they're gonna sip on this. And this is a similar prank that I did many years ago. Actually, it's about 9 or 10 years ago. Anyways, it's gonna have the same effect. They're gonna sip on this straw and, well, of course, they're just gonna get nothing but air. So they're gonna pull on it. Maybe something's blocking it. Whatever the reason might be, they're gonna expose the hole on the side of the cup. And that's when the following will happen, guys. Look. They pull on the straw. Whoever's around is gonna get a squirt of Kool-Aid. Just look at that, guys. Pretty cool, huh?